everyone. According to the FBI, in 2002, there was a 26.5% probability of theft from a motor vehicle. If a victim of theft is randomly selected, what is the probability that she was not a victim of theft from a motor vehicle? So we're doing the probability of not, I'm going to do that, not a victim. And when you're using not, we're just going to do 1 minus the probability of the victim. I get my dots here. So that's just going to be 1 minus 0.0265, which equals 0.735. And then we have another problem, the same thing, but the probability is 3.9% of a theft involving a bicycle instead of a car. So we're doing the probability of not a victim, which equals 1 minus the probability of being a victim, which equals 1 minus 0.039, which equals 0.961. Okay, next, we're talking about temperature. In Chicago, there's a 30% probability that Memorial Day will have a temperature in the 70s. So what is the probability that the next Memorial Day will not have a high temperature in the 70s in Chicago? So we're doing the probability of not in the 70s. So that's just going to be 1 minus probability in the 70s, which equals 1 minus 0.3, which just equals 0.7. And again, we're doing the same thing, but we're talking about probability in the 30s, which is 4%, and we're going to do the probability of not, because they want to not have a low temperature in the 30s. So I'll put in 30s, not in the 30s. So that's going to be 1 minus the probability in the 30s, which is 1 minus 4%, which is 0.04, which equals 0.96. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.